Mike, we'll send it back over to you.
All right, thank you very much. Let's take you out to meteorologist Mike Seidel. He is near Newton, Kansas this evening. This is just outside of Wichita. Mike, we know have had some really tough weather in Kansas today. Talk about this part of the state. What can they anticipate for the rest of the evening?
Well, look at this. Let's just talk about what we're seeing here. Look at this storm, Mike, and the structure. Now, this is not Warren, but it is moving north-northeast away from us. We're in Newton. We're just on the north side of Wichita. Our temperature here is 67. We're getting a very strong outflow from that storm. The wind's out here gusting up 25, 30 miles an hour. Can hardly keep the hat on. 67 here, not far away at the Wichita airport on the west side of town. Last check, it was in the mid-80s. Look at the rain shaft. Boy, you can see that arcing off towards the left as the wind blows in that direction. And then to the right, you can see the lowering cloud base. Again, we're not worried about a tornado here. In fact, as I mentioned, we don't even have, at last check, a severe thunderstorm warning on the cell. But we're looking up towards North Newton and then over towards the north-northwest towards Heston, where we were earlier with some heavy rain as we went north towards Salina. Now let's pan around. You can see the edge of the cloud as it wraps around to the south, over towards the south as we look towards Wichita itself. But again, if you're in Wichita, you don't have to worry about any rain with this particular cell because it is, again, moving north-northeast. Let's pan back around, too, when we get a chance, and we'll show you the cell again. This is about a pretty picture, as you can see, short of getting a rotating supercell in a tornado, which we don't want to have. But this is basically dropping a lot of rain, Mike, and looking on lightning detection, there's a lot of lightning out there. So if you're driving northbound from Wichita to Salina, you'll be running through this. And again, blinding downpours and gusty winds. Mike, you've done a lot of tracking and you've seen a lot of great photos out here, but this is about as good as it gets short of actually seeing a tornadic supercell.
Yeah, that's a pretty one, and going away from you is always a good thing, Mike. You don't want to be in harm's way when that one comes your way, but talking about the outflow, basically what's happening, folks, is the storm, you're getting the rain-cooled air that's rushing out of the bottom of it, and it's just blowing out the air in every direction and coming right towards Mike Seidel. Mike, thank you so much for the update. We'll be checking back in with Mike here through the evening, keeping you updated on what's going on tonight in central Kansas.